Hi all, welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age. Today we're going to look at creating a grey tone edit and preset in Lightroom Mobile. So first off, let's go to the Light tab and let's add a little bit of contrast. Take our highlights down to -27, shadows up to +21. We're going to increase our whites to +10 and reduce our blacks to -11. Go into the curve, make sure you're on the coloured RGB curve. Tap on the line at the top and move that up, and then a quarter of the way down, move that down. So you create this very subtle S-curve and press done. Next, go into the colour. Let's add some vibrance to +19 and then go into mix. Starting with the reds, we're going to take the saturation up a little bit. Let's go up to +10. With orange, we're going to come down a little bit to -11. Yellow, we're going to come down to -51. And then all of the rest from green onwards, we're going to come down with the saturation to -100. And then when you're finished, press done. Next up is effects. Let's add a little bit of texture, +22, and take your vignette down to -21. And then finally in the details, let's sharpen the image to +53 and mask it off to +55. And then you can press and hold the screen to see the before and the after. Let's save that now as a preset. Press the three little dots and choose Create Preset. Give your preset a name. And press the tick when you're done. That will be saved in your user presets. Now you can scroll to any other images. And then we'll press the two little circles. We're in user presets. If not, press the down arrow if you've created it in a folder. And here we have grey tone. Let's press the grey tone and press the tick to apply the effect. And then press and hold, you can see the before and the after. Let's try this one. Same again, grey tone, press the tick. And there's the before and the after. Well, that's it guys, hope that was useful for you. Don't forget you can download the free preset in the description below. Thanks for watching, really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more of these, give me the thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Take care.